Alright.
Gotta go get dinner.
Alright.
Affirmative.
Ooh, charger right over here.
Yeah, I'm behind you, Cap. Yeah, I got your 6.
Affirmative.
Oh, fuck, they just called in a breach. Damn
Rare
it.
sample acquired.
It's crazy how fast the breaches start after it's called in.
Yeah, it's fucking wild.
Heavy. On my position.
Well, I got a little too close to the sun right there. Blew my arms off.
Motherfuck, I'm dead.
Good thing I only had like fucking 5 rounds left.
Objective critical stratagem available.
I think we're a little overconfident.
Reinforcing.
Objective critical stratagem no longer available.
I'm surprised we didn't go there.
I mean, Mama didn't raise no bitch, bro. I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
Oh
yeah.
my goodness, no! Fuck. It's so annoying how long it takes for them to actually hit them.
Calling in reinforcements.
You gotta hit it like 100 times for them to go,
Requesting
oh,
sentry.
you want me to stim? Okay.
Sending down sentry.
Democracy has landed.
Canister's empty.
What's up?
81, I think. Yeah. Yeah.
I play this every day.
Since it came out, it's been my favorite. Yeah.
Going down the sentry.
I got into Arc Raiders. Yeah, it's fun until you get, well, I mean, yeah, until you get a toxic lobby, and then it's not fun. Yeah.